Hello everybody, what's up? How are you guys? Welcome back to another video about Hedera Hashgraph, guys. In this video I'm talking about Hedera Hashgraph price update. In absolutely, I'm doing a price prediction for Hedera Hashgraph for a short time, guys. Is in the future there is possibilities that the price of Hedera will pump or dump. Let's see, guys. But if you're new on my channel, so kindly please don't forget to subscribe channel. At this time, guys, if you talk about the current price of Hedera, so you can see 0.379803 USD dollar. That is the currently price of a Hedera Hashgraph in the market. Furthermore, in other side, if we talk about the changes update of each bar Hedera Hashgraph, so you can see the last 1 hour update is positive. And last one day update is only negative. Only this means that from yesterday the price dumped. Only yesterday price dumped, and now in the latest situation the price again positive, guys. That's mean that now in the latest situation the price is in the positive mood, the price is in the pumping mood. And I believe, guys, about Hedera Hashgraph that for a long time each bar Hedera will continue this pump. And absolutely my prediction is also going that I believe that every coin, a lot of coin possibilities, a lot of coin that in the last of month, in the beginning of a month, the price highly pump. So I recommend for all of you about Hedera Hashgraph that if you're a hoarder, so I recommend that it's time to hold. And if you want to buy Hedera Hashgraph, so now the price is very cheap, you can easily buy, and absolutely they will give you profit if you hold to the last of October, guys. Just in the last week of October, they will give you a good amount of profit, guys. Anyways, guys, what's your opinion? What's your price prediction about Hedera Hashgraph? Also share your opinion in the comment box, guys, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.